Hi guys, it's cold outside and it's snowing, so I've got to amuse myself indoors. So what we're going to do is run the Equestria girls radio control car around. You'll notice we now have a girl in the driving seat. And if you're really sharp-eyed, you'll notice she's got no legs, because I just couldn't get them in there. So she's legless. Remember, those wheels have got no grip, so we're just going to be spinning it around in here, just for a bit of fun, something to do. Also to try out my new mini camera, see if we can get some footage with that. I think its focal length is a bit longer than the distance from the camera to the doll, so it'll probably be out of focus, but we're going to try it anyway. Oh, and the ESC I've got on the motor is one of those ones with a brake on it. So I'm going to have trouble doing reverse because this controller doesn't go back far enough to operate the brake properly. I can do it if I push it really hard into the bottom right corner. Back. Well, that should do. That should be enough of a test of that little camera anyway. Yeah, that'll do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.